Hey sir, this is Jimmy with ProScout. After removing the tile up off the floor, we noticed that you still have a leak right here. So go ahead and point that out first. It's still leaking. So we need to get that fixed. Also too, we need to remove this tub, or you need to have the plumber come remove this tub. And then we need to replace the plywood that's up under here. If you look, you have holes here in the plywood. Here, it's rotted out. They may also have to do some work right here to this flange right here, but our portion of it would be replacing the plywood all through here because it's rotting, and it's gonna cause problems if we put the extra wood on there, and if you keep this leak right here, and if you keep that tub right there, it's gonna cause problems. So I recommend replacing the subfloor in here. Hey everyone, this is Jimmy. I wanted to give you a quick update before we put the stain down and gave you the final results. So if you look right here, we had to put a transition strip right through there. One is wider, we had to rip it in there. We also put the flush mount vents in. It was a lot of wood. This is the room where you originally saw the stain display. We put a flush mount vent in there too. So if you look around through here, we are complete with the actual installation of the wood right now. Right here, it wasn't no wood where we had to start it and start feathering it in right there because of the water damage, and the restoration company pulled it all out. There won't no wood right through here. We took the wood all the way to the back of the closet and turned left and took it all the way to the edge of the wall. We did that for the client. He told us to stop short, but we just couldn't because it just wouldn't look all the way we wanted to. Remember, it had the big red rug in there that was old and had some water damage up under there. The pad was saturated. We stopped the wood right through there too because there wasn't no damage there when we started to install it. No wood here. We put it all between here. There's a lot of wood that we had to pull out and replace. There was also tile in the kitchen that we pulled out. And then we started feathering right here and taking it into the kitchen. In the kitchen, we put a few different transition strips. Like we put the flush mount here, and then we'll put a transition strip right there. So it will because it looks better. It's a better transition and it looks better than trying to feather it in and then trying to line it all up, because it typically don't line up right when you try to do that. That's why it's important to put the transition strip right here to give you a new start point. We also had to do that over here because the tile was there too. And so, like I said before, it's better when you closing off spaces like that, just put a transition piece in there, because it's gonna be hard to line it up. Okay, this is the staining portion of it. And after this, I'm gonna just go ahead and show you the final results and play some music. So this is Jimmy with ProScout. Until the next time.